Welcome to the third video. This third video is for the concurrency point of the medians. So we start out with a definition of what a median is. A median is the segment whose endpoint are on a vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So if I draw a triangle and then I draw one of the vertices, and then I also draw the midpoint on the other side, so assume those, the median will go from that vertice to the midpoint. So if you take all the medians of a triangle, they are concurrent, and it's concurrent at a point that's 2/3 the distance from each vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, so this one we can call the median concurrency theorem. And what I want to do is I want to show you, and this one also has a name. This one's called the centroid. So the point of concurrency of the medians, and it has a cute little mnemonic for this one. And this one is meds or roids. Okay, so the medians form the centroid. Notice this one has nothing like in a circle in it, in center, circumcenter. So centroid has nothing to do with a circle, but it does have a very important property for like physics and other areas to study. So I want to show you what special properties it has. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the medians. There they are. And if you notice, if I move this triangle around, the median or the medians stay inside. They're always inside a triangle. So the centroid will always be inside the triangle. So the centroid is not any special center of a circle, but it is the center of something. And what it is it's the center of gravity for the triangle. In other words, if I took this triangle and I cut it out, I could put my finger right on this point and it would balance the triangle. Okay, so it shouldn't move in any direction, and I'll do that in class so that you can see it, play with it yourself. Normally what we do is we put the tip of a pencil on it, and you can see that that's how we can balance a triangle. So as I move it around, as long as I put, if I balance it right on that point, then it'll stay level. So the centroid is considered the center of gravity or the center of balance for a triangle. Now the other thing it told me is that if you take the centroid, then the length from the vertice to the centroid is 2/3 of the length from the vertice to the midpoint on the opposite side. Which means that if you think about it, this down here is going to be 1/3 the distance. And if you take a look at the top compared to the top's going to be 2/3 the distance of the bottom piece. So if you take the centroid and you take the vertex to the centroid, that's twice the distance from the centroid to the midpoint. Okay? And that works for any of the medians. So just like the other ones, I'd make sure that you draw a picture of it, copy down any of the properties, know if it can occur inside or outside, and know what the special property is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.